Ang galing, nagbaw siya na. Yung isa ata.
Low profile. Furthermore, as the mango street more essence and basket of mangoes offers sweetness, carry, and
Malaki siya. Malaki.
in the city. Despite the trials at now, he rules the commitment of good nature with a low and sturdy mango with its own basket attached with the fixed decency, care, and
Lala, oh, lala.
accomplishing our life goals no matter how low and lofty they are.
Ah, galing ah. Monggo, kawayan ko. Ganon. Galing. Ang galing naman. Ang galing. Hello.
Breed of retriever dog of medium size, it is characterized by the gentle and affectionate
Umayano yung tuhod mo. Dito ka, oh. Dito ka, anak. Dito ka. Anak, dito ka sa kabila. Anak, dito ka sa kabila. Upo ka dito. Upo.
Hello, Elena!
Adana is a Pomeranian. Pomeranian is a breed of dog of speech type of nearby the Pomeranian region, northwest Poland and northeast Germany and central Europe. Class as a toy dog breed because it is small size. The Pomeranian is a descended from large speech type of dog.
Ito na lang. Yun, nakal may apat. Sa ngipin. Joey! Number 13 ka. Number 13 ka. Galing-galing mo naman, ano? Ang galing mo. Number 13 lang. Oh, bait-bait. Wow. Ay, sasama ka na. Sige. Sumasama ka. Kasi, ay, hello.
Thank you very much to our sponsors.
Ay, alis na.
Ang ating mga sponsors na magbigay ng exciting na surprises sa ating mga pambuhay ngayon.
Guwapo.
And partner, mukhang may nakakalimutan pa tayo.
Ano yung partner?
Di ba natin napapasalamatan ang star namin ito?
Wow, sino yung partner? May guest ba tayong artista ngayon dito?
Parang masikat pa sa
Antok na
artista
siya,
yun.
antok ka na.
Kasi, syempre, ang
Sleep ka
star
ba?
natin ngayon, ang ating mga fur babies with their fur pets.
Ayun, oo nga naman partner.
As your MC for this occasion, we are here to provide you 2 1-hour estudiante filled with both of fun, tayo magiging excited, and perhaps music along the way.
To officially open the program, we request everyone to please stand and have a silence for
Ay,
our
stand daw siya.
invocation.
Gabay day kuya da. Kay kuya daw sila. Andun si kuya. Konti.